Because see, you have been telling about the soy products and all these things, but what I know is like this soy products have phytoestrogens. So this too much of estrogens can have some estrogenic effects, and they can have some menstrual problems. And also when too much of this soy products are given, they can have effects on some different breast receptors of estrogen receptors in the breast and everything. So we are just, I just wanted you to explain like how soy products are categorized as healthy food.
Yeah, that's a wonderful question, Madhvi, because even among health professionals, there is a lot of confusion about soy phytoestrogens. So this confusion came about 90 years ago when soy isoflavones were detected in soy, and they thought that this might attach to the estrogen receptors and promote breast cancer. So later, researchers had time to test this hypothesis, and what they found was, in fact, our body has two types of estrogen receptors, which are called alpha receptors and beta receptors. Just like let's say when you're driving a car, you have an accelerator and a brake. They're right in front of you, but when you press the accelerator, it makes the car go fast, and when you press the brake, it makes the car stop. So similarly, same thing with estrogens. When they tested the phytoestrogens attach to the beta receptors. So when estrogen attaches to the alpha receptors, it enhances the function of estrogen, it increases the propagation of cells. But when this estrogen, they attach to the beta receptors, they do the opposite. So they decrease the estrogenic effect. So what they found is this soy phytoestrogens actually attach to the beta receptors. So they're actually technically acting as a cancer brake. So, and there's a lot of research, and unfortunately, this confusion is present among health professionals. When you take, so research actually tells you, encourages you to consume soy products. If you don't like soy products, it's not that you have to have them, but like when you're using cow's milk or buffalo milk for your tea, coffee, or putting them on your cereals or for making your main dishes, it increases the likelihood for breast cancer and other hormonal diseases. But when you replace the same cow's milk or buffalo's milk with soy milk, it actually decreases the incidence of breast cancer. So if you look at the research from past 10 years, that's what you would show. So that's the thing with phytoestrogens.
Yeah, people get confused with the word estrogens, but the phytoestrogens are actually protective.
Yes.
Yeah. And if you look at even association studies, like they're now, Chinese and Japanese and Koreans, they eat so much soy more than any other countries, and they used to have very little breast cancer until they recently when they started changing their diet to Western pattern.